In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide properties in Notion. If your databases feel cluttered with columns you don't need to see all the time, hiding properties is a quick way to clean things up without deleting any data. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. Click Login and access your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the page that contains the database you want to tidy up. This could be a table, board, list, calendar, or gallery view. Hiding works the same way across views. Inside the database, locate the property you want to hide. Properties are the column headers like status, priority, or tags. Click the property name itself to open its menu. A drop-down will appear with options related to that property. From here, choose Hide. The column will disappear from the current view, giving you a cleaner layout that highlights only what matters. Keep in mind, you're not removing or deleting anything. All the data remains intact, and this change applies only to the specific database view you're looking at. That means it's reversible and safe, and other views of the same database can keep showing the property if you prefer. If you want to bring a hidden property back, look to the top right of the database for the three-dot icon, which opens the view options for the database. Click it to access the settings for the current view, then find the Properties section. You'll see a list of all properties, including those that are hidden. Look for the one you want to show again, and click the eye icon next to it. As soon as you do, the property returns to your database view exactly where it was before. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the hide option when clicking a property name, make sure you're clicking the header in a database and not a text block. Also remember that visibility is view specific. If you have multiple views, like a board for planning and a table for reporting, you can customize which properties are visible in each. This helps you tailor your workspace for different tasks without changing the underlying data. And if you're working with an inline database inside a page, the process is the same. That's all there is to it. Go to notion.com, log in, open your workspace and the database page, click a property name, select Hide, and use the three-dot icon and eye toggle to show it again whenever you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.